Hey there, lads and lasses. This here is Thunderhand 64 coming at you live from the west coast of the United States here on a Sunday afternoon. It is a little bit past 4, and that can only mean that it's time for some Kaachee Time. You guys can see Kaachee's webcam there. Let's see if we can raise him on the Discord. Let me unmute him there. Hey there, son.
Oh, what?
Hey, fix your camera. We can only see like the top of your head. There he is. So, first of all, before we get started, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Pacific Standard Time here in the U.S. You know, it's still Mom's Day over here, so happy Mother's Day. We'll be meeting up with Mrs. Thunderhand a little bit later on this evening and taking her out to a little bit of dinner just to show our appreciation. But right now, we're going to do our Kaachee Time. So, Kaachee, do you have anything planned for today?
Yeah, just some dummy defense stuff.
Some dummy defense stuff. Okay. So, let me see. Shall I flip over to your screen?
Yeah.
All right, so let's show Kaachee's screen right on over to here. And there he is.
Okay. So what I did was
Yeah,
I kind of revamped the lobby a little bit. You can see all the assets right here, but
Oh, yeah. So you're
Yeah.
in Roblox Studio right now.
yeah, this isn't actually dummy defense. This is just a random map place. But I did revamp the lobby. You can tell this like entire place is different right here.
Right. So those of you who are familiar with our streams here have seen the dummy defense lobby. So you're kind of familiar with it. And so you should be able to notice that this is the development model of it that is in Roblox Studio. And so Kaachee's made some changes to it.
Yeah, so contract guy is no longer Asian stereotype anymore.
Yeah, all right. He was kind of cool, though, in his way.
Nah, yeah, but he's no longer in the game, so.
Aw, okay.
We're probably gonna put a straw hat there, though. Like in his room, we're gonna put.
All right, as a sort of reference, right?
Yeah.
There might be a way that you could put a portrait of him up on the wall too.
Yeah, I could
Yeah,
probably do.
you could probably do something like that, right?
Yeah.
Under new management. So what else
Yeah.
have you changed here? Let me see.
Shop guy, he got, well, not really a redesign. It's just I added more to him.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, some details. Yeah. Okay.
Because, and also you can go into his room now. But,
Oh yeah. Okay. So he's not trapped in there
Oh.
for the rest of his days.
Yeah.
All right.
So, he has like he has a chest plate now, and he has headphones, and he has gloves now, so he doesn't just have a hat anymore.
Hey, was he seated on the stool before?
No, he was standing.
Oh, he was just standing. Oh. Locked the poor guy. My legs. My legs.
Oh yeah, you also got a new base, but
Oh, did I? Oh, nice.
yeah. That isn't that's weird. I remember Soup was whining about there being him not holding the
Okay. All
clicker
right.
on, like, so I just changed the position.
All right. So Soup and I got
and-
upgrades, yeah.
Yeah, Tez got I let him model it this time instead of me modeling it, so or posting it, I guess.
So Tez has Murasama is sheathed there at his side, right?
Yeah, he has the sword itself too.
Yeah, nice.
In here the tank is smaller for some reason. I don't know why. It was just smaller. So
Okay, so that wasn't intentional. It just came out that way somehow.
yeah, here's Soup. He has a new design. So yeah. This room is still being worked on. So this room down here and then this room up here is still being.
Okay.
And there's windows here too now.
Oh yeah, that's right. Cool.
And then the whole cafe got reworked. So
All right.
now it looks I don't know. It just looks like something. New recruit is here. He got his avatar revamped as well.
Okay, yep, the gas mask. So you guys will see some defining features for each character. Like Tez has the night vision goggles up on top of his helmet, right? New
And he
recruit
just
has the
straight
gas
up-
mask, right?
Yeah, he just straight up has goggles. So
Yeah.
he has two pairs of goggles. I don't know. Yeah, he has two pairs of goggles.
All right.
Sue? It's like he has the raised goggles on it.
All right, and he has the scouter over his left eye, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
My avatar, he has like a helmet hat, kind of. So what I did was I took a hat accessory and put it on a helmet.
Okay.
I don't. Yeah. So that's my guy. And random guy is the MIDI. So
Yeah.
that's the really big difference. He's not a noob. He's
Yeah.
not part of Nubia. Yeah. In the lore, there's the First New Republic, Nubia, and Demidi. So, random guy is a Demidi trader.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, over here. Yeah, here's Flame Trooper and
Okay.
Vigilante. They're just chilling here. Oh yeah, Gunsmith is also down there. Yeah, Gunsmith is
Yeah,
here.
he's over on that side. Yep.
Oh yeah, and then Tank was Tez was making a model for PCT, well, Phantom Cataclysm, and but then they didn't want the design, so he's like, might as well just put it here.
Yeah.
So
well, their loss is our gain, right?
yeah, so yeah, it's a hover tank, by the way. It's just on the ground now. It's not
Right.
like
Right.
the VFX he made for it are like wait. So.
And of
Yeah,
course,
so-
I'd just like to take a moment to welcome in the mighty Shut Mountain, friend, fellow buffoon, and moderator of the stream. Good to see you, Shut.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh. Oh yeah. We're gonna add Festive soon. He's gonna be
Okay. All
next
right.
probably.
All right.
Yeah. But anyways, you can see all of these buttons, and they have a purpose, and I'm going to show you right now. And I don't know why I just exited the game. That was pretty stupid. But
Okay. So you did have Roblox class today. Did you do anything on the game today?
yeah, I did it in the actual dummy defense. Nothing
Okay.
here.
All right.
Yeah, so I changed the position for this. I'm probably gonna change it a little more, but oh yeah, I did revamp the GUI, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah. I noticed that. Yep.
Yeah, this entire section is getting reworked, and all of this doesn't work right now since
Oh,
it's
cool.
just redesigned.
Looks slick. Pretty slick, son.
Play GUI
Yeah.
got revamped, and all of these have icons now, so you won't be confused as much. Contracts pretty much the same. I didn't really change it.
Hey, when you hover over those buttons for the menu on the left-hand side there,
Yeah.
do you have the option to make tooltips, mouse overs that pop up for those to tell you what they are?
I think I could. Yeah.
I mean, your icons there are pretty descriptive, though. So,
Yeah, news. So there's news.
news, settings. Obviously, your shop is down below, right?
What do you think this is?
I mean, that's got to be like play around, right? Or a
Yeah.
match. Yeah, matches. Okay, good.
What do you think this little like bird?
Is that your contracts?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think this like?
Now
right
that
here?
looks like a boombox or a radio or something, so that's got to be music, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, radio. Okay, got it. Cool.
Yeah. So in the game, you have my versions and then Festive's version. So we have the Kaachee mix and the Festive mix. So
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, Festive made his first OST. It sounds very cool. You can't hear it, but
Yeah, your UI looks really slick now. I mean, it kind of looked goofy and funny before, you know. It was cool looking, but it looks
Yeah,
really
now-
pro now, son.
Yeah, I don't really know if there's anything. But I can change what these look like.
Oh, your thumbnails,
my-
okay.
Yeah. My God. I'm just listening to festive music right now, but. Oh yeah, by the way, the music, the new lobby music I made, the 2.0 version to this one, I guess, got taken down by Roblox because, like, copyright or something like that. I didn't read the whole thing.
For
but
your original music?
yeah.
All right. I'll get in touch with them about that.
Oh yeah, I also made a new, what's that called? Like I guess like a album cover
Uh-huh.
for Dummy Defense. For boss themes, this will be like the album cover, I guess. It's a recreation of one of my of the first Dummy Defense thumbnail. This is a recreation. So if we were able to post this on Spotify, this would be it. But Festive told me it costs money to post it on Spotify, so
Yeah.
yeah, so I mean, if we really wanted to, we could, but that's probably not gonna happen. We're probably just gonna post it on YouTube.
There's other
Yeah, like
music
SoundCloud,
services
right?
like that. Like you could do SoundCloud and Bandcamp and things like that. So
Yeah, but probably just on YouTube. Settings. I'm not using it right now since I mean, I really could just switch it out right now, but settings has an old mechanic I made when I first made the GUI on this map.
okay.
And it turns off. It turns off the play GUI, like it just makes it invisible. So when you try to open it back up, you just don't see it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that could be problematic.
Yeah. See, so if I click it, I got the settings, but then it's just gone.
Yeah. Don't.
And I have to read the game. Okay, one second.
So has the game lobby been updated to this yet, or
No,
okay?
because I still need a backup old
Right.
lobby.
Yeah,
So
because
I
you don't
still-
want to wipe that out. There's a lot of work on there.
Oh yeah, I also got. I
Hmm.
found it on Toolbox. See my head moving.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I found it on the Toolbox, and also I added the shift back, and the free cam too. I
Oh,
did all
nice.
that. Free cam was already on this world because I needed it for render.
Yeah.
No way I deleted. That's. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, I think it just. Okay. I was gonna do something. Oh yeah, I gotta do festive. That's one.
Okay. So I don't think the viewers know who Festive is. I don't think we explained that to them ever in the stream.
Festive used to be the music composer for Phantom Cataclysm, but then he quit, and then he's like, "Hey, you should hire me," and it's like, okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. He makes music, and he can also draw, and he's very good at drawing.
All right. So his name is Festive Board, right?
Yeah, but we just call him Festive.
Right. But if people want to check out his stuff, they need his full name, right?
Yeah, he has a YouTube channel called Festive Board.
Right. And then Festive, I'll put a link to the channel in the VOD archive on YouTube. So Festive has joined the team.
Yeah, so we're back. No, we always had 5. Oh, we always had. I think we ever had 5. I think this is the had 5.
And now Kaachee's still going to be doing music, you guys. So
Yeah, it's like Metal Gear Rising. Metal Gear Rising has like a thing where there's two bands, Maniac Agenda and Platinum, and they both do soundtracks for the game. Like they both play it. They don't compose it because what's that guy's name? There's one person who composed all of the music, one person who does the vocals for each song, and then either Platinum or Maniac Agenda plays the song. So that's pretty much how it is, except with composing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, for the vocal part, just like it's not all the time it's the same person. I think it's like the max someone has ever had. I think it's like 2.
Yeah, and that's for the Metal Gear Rising music, right?
Yeah. Okay. So we need a breakup fest.
Right. And you also have some assets down here, right?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like we didn't go through these yet down here.
Oh yeah, we didn't go through.
Yeah, that's just developmental stuff that you're using, right?
Okay. Oh, let's see if this works. Wait, is he anchored? No, I don't think he's anchored.
Look at Festive, he's all bandaged up.
You mean?
So this is really cool because Kaachee and his friends with their first New Republic group, they all have distinguishing features, right? Like I have the bass clef on my face, you know. Festive has the bandages and stuff, so you could tell who's who. You know, we all have our distinct features. Our characters do. So
I think you, me, and Festive all have the same hat accessory.
yeah.
And this guy, the contract guy, literally has the same thing, except its cap is backwards. It's the same
it's flipped
model.
around. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same exact model. Yeah.
So as Kachee's working on this, let me catch the viewers up on my streams in general. So let me see. So I forewent the last 2 streams, which were Generations on Wednesday and Buffooncraft on Friday. So fellow Buffoon Flying Villager has been on my server with me and teaching me how to use World Edit. So I have some things in World Edit that I want to try for Baby Zombie Rush, right? Because I'm going to need to copy over that entire mini game and all of its structures. I need to make 3 copies of that. And, 2 copies in the original, right? So I need to make 3 instances of that. And really, you know, to do that practically, I need that kind of a tool. And I've used World Edit in Minecraft on Princess Nebula's server for a little bit, and so I'm already kind of familiar with it. But Flying Villager knows more about it than I do, so you know he was gracious enough to log. So we took things off of Generations, and we just set up a mock-up world on there, so we can get in there and use some of this stuff. And also, Shut Mountain and Lone Star wanted to get in there and learn a few things about it too. And so we've been tinkering around with it in there. So so I forewent the last 2 streams so I could do that, because Generations now is kind of like, it has that mock-up world on there. And so we've been building around in there. We might have some other things, though, in our process of learning that. We might have some cool things to show on that pretty soon. But it's mostly just us learning that, though. So. But my streams should return back to their normal schedule maybe this Wednesday. We'll see. We'll see how things are going.
think. Festive. No, I don't even think he's anchored. Yeah,
Festive just up there chilling on the roof.
Yeah, that's what he said he wanted, so. Yeah, he literally DM'd me that. I'm like, where do you want to be? And he said, yeah, on the roof right next to that tank.
Up on the roof.
Yeah.
There he is.
Festive, random guy, Kaachee, new recruit, Thunderhand, Tez, Soup. I mean, that's it. New
Soup's
recruit
in there.
actually doesn't do anything for the game. It's just he's a beta tester too, so
Yeah.
that's why he's there. He's like, I think he's the first person who's not a dev who play tested for the game. So yeah,
Okay.
he's our main play tester. So yeah, but oh yeah, I'm gonna add more characters soon. It's just things. I'm gonna go back to doing this enemy thing real quick. I want to try something.
Okay. And I'd like to welcome in Waylander Tone. Just hanging out there, chilling, lurking.
By the
Waylander
way, I
Tone is
think
our...
we-
sorry, son. Just doing the intro for him. Waylander Tone is our fellow Buffoon VIP. You guys can see the auto shout out there, so please go check him out when you get a chance. Appreciate the lurk there, Tone. Okay, son. Sorry, you were saying?
I just want to try.
Okay.
So it looks like I'm doing nothing right now, but I'm actually doing something on a different.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know. Should I show off this unfinished model?
I mean,
Might as well. I mean,
it's not like there's spoilers, right? I mean,
okay. So
Wow.
Festive was like, "Oh my god, we need a new boss for the secret game mode," and it's like, okay. And then he sketched out this really cool design. So
son,
I'm not
that
done.
looks
I still have a lot. So
son, that looks cool.
yeah, all credit to Festive though. He came up with the design. So
Nice.
okay, so gotta put things in here. Where? In server storage, yes, in server storage.
So that's not one of the
Right there.
towers. That's one of the dummies, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now, is that going to be a boss or?
Yeah, that's a boss. In server storage, yes. All right. We're gonna have wave 1 have the most powerful boss in the game. This one. Yeah, this is definitely not gonna be overpowered. Not in there? Oh yeah, he is in. Oh, I forgot to add a comma. Okay. Yeah, add the script. Alright, we should make him at least like decently slow though. He's gonna have like, I don't know, let's go like, for now, 1 million. Festive is very good at balancing. Wait, is that 1 million? Yeah, it is 1 million, okay.
What, he has like 1 million durability or
No, he's gonna have like a lot more HP than
HP? That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
What? Oh, wait, I need to change my max HP. I forgot. There we go. There we go. Yeah, he's gonna be the strongest boss in the game, and it's super hard to achieve this game mode. So that's yeah. Actually, I probably should just copy the script from Vulcan because he has the OST. Music. Oh yeah, was it called Sings? Yeah, it's just Strip. Yeah, the song is called something else. Uh, it's just I called it that so Roblox wouldn't get mad at me because for some reason I don't know why it wouldn't like the original, but yeah, I feel like it would. So, where is it?
So Kaachee has about 2 more weeks of school left.
Yeah.
Yeah, so some of the viewers, they're getting down to the last couple of weeks of school as well.
Oh my god, it started. Where is he, chat? I forgot to rig him.
Huh?
I forgot to rig him up.
Oh, what? So his model just fell apart or something? Is that what happened?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
That is my fault. I did not mean to do that. I was not prepared.
So we do have some things coming up over the summer here. We're making our usual trip to Taiwan, so that's going to be happening pretty soon. So I'll only be gone there for about 2 weeks. Kaachee will be there for quite a bit longer, though.
Yes. What's that thing I was called? Wait, no, that isn't it.
Hmm?
How do I describe it? You know how Dracula has that like cone thing behind his like head? What is that called?
That what?
He has like that like half cone behind his head.
Pass comb?
Half comb.
Half comb.
Half cone.
Oh, that half cone. Oh, are you talking about the collar for his cape?
Well, it's like, well, like, you know what? Let me just, let me take him out real quick. So which one would be the collar here? Because he has this like purple thing, but then the thing behind his back is like, would both of them be considered a collar?
Yeah,
Or-
yeah. One's just a collar for his jacket on the outside. The other's just a collar for his shirt on the inside.
Oh, okay.
Right? So they're 2 separate pieces of clothing, so they can both be collars, right?
Yeah.
God.
I guess we're gonna call this jacket collar. It's like neon thing and T, and then Paul, okay, and light rig. This time it should not break. Trust me. Hopefully it won't.
Yeah, rigging helps, right?
Yeah. It's like. Now I'm just gonna control X this. Oh my god, he spawned. Oh, he has collision, I forgot. So this will be officially the hardest boss in the game. And he's already on.
So again,
It's
if
because
any
it
of
was-
you are unfamiliar with Dummy Defense, it's a tower defense, tower blitz style game in which dummies emerge from the mouth of some sort of portal. They follow a track through the map, and then they exit the map through another portal. And during their path through the map, you place your own towers, their enemies, so you place your own towers in defense, and your towers shoot their dummies. And so that's how it is. And they have your towers and their dummies and their mobs have different levels of of powers and different abilities, right, and different capabilities. So this is Kaachee's top mob right here. What are you doing? Trying to push him, or?
There.
Oh, because the... What do you call the small ones? Are those infantry, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, your infantry guys are fast, right? So they overtake your super slow mob. What you need is a 2-lane path, son, with like a passing lane.
Yeah.
Like the freeway.
Ah. So
Alright.
that's probably how fast he's gonna. And so this is like the smallest ever. He's gonna be a lot easier. So
Right. And the idea here is you want him to move slower because his hit points are so high, right? So you want to be able to shell him big time, right? So you need more time for him to shoot at him, right? Because you need more hits to take him down. So you need to slow him down, right?
and okay, let me send you like the sketch he gave.
Okay, so we're going to look at Festive's design sketch that he gave you. Okay.
I changed like one or two.
Did
I
he
must
just...
get changed.
Sorry, did he just send it to you through Messenger or something?
No, I just sent it to you.
Oh, okay. So it's in Discord.
Yeah, just check this.
Oh, wow, that's a cool piece of artwork. All right, so I'm going to switch screens over here just momentarily.
And also here's the
There it is. So that was Festive Board's original design sketch that he sent to Kaachee, and he's like, Kaachee, model that in Roblox and make that our #1 mob. That looks cool, son.
I sent you the OST. You may get copyrights if it is based off of something, based off of order from Ultra Kill, so you might get copyright, but it's highly unlikely since I did get it published on Roblox, so super unlikely, but like slight chance.
All right, because I can contact Roblox, you know, and if they still are blocking it, I can provide a score for them. So I'll just score it and then send it to them.
Yeah, but I mean, Roblox is a lot stricter than YouTube, so I think you should be able to post it.
Yeah.
As you should be able to listen to it, so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's super good too. Oh.
All right, just to be clear, viewers, the music that you're hearing right now is the playlist from Epidemic Sound that we usually have during the Kaachee Time stream. So. So what are you making now, son?
Let me see where my stuff. everything should work. Huh. Oh, that's the enabled behavior. Okay. But yeah, you should listen to that song he made.
Okay.
Very good.
All right.
And you can show on stream too because it's probably not gonna get DM'd.
All right. Let's see if I can play that over here. Have it come on through.
Yeah, it's in dummy defense. So if you listen to the radio, it will play it. So
All right. I'm just gonna play right through the link that you sent it.
yeah, it's 6 minutes long, so you don't have to listen to the whole thing. But
Okay. So this is composed and produced by Festive Board. This is his music. So
and
set sound level here.
what's that called? Logic Pro. Yeah, he uses Logic.
Yeah. So he makes these in Logic Pro.
Yeah, when I first saw Logic Pro, I'm like, that looks exactly like Logic. Because he told me it's literally just GarageBand, but the instruments sound like
Pretty much. Oops. Sorry. Let me get that back. Where did that go? That went up here. That went in here. And that was here. So we were right about that. Fire's got a pretty good snare sound there.
Yeah, Festive says it sounds like when he told me it might get like it might not work on it might not like be published on Roblox. I'm like, bro, it sounds so different. Like the actual like the actual like bars themselves like sound like are completely different. So I mean, you can tell it's based off of the order, but like it's not the exact same.
Okay. You know, Twitch probably won't have a problem with this, but YouTube might. YouTube's a little bit stricter than Twitch is. All right, that was a cool break. You know, I feel it could use a double time somewhere, though. Doesn't have to have it, but it'd be cool if it kicked into double time at some point. You know, it's really easy to imagine this as the background music for dummy defense when the waves are coming out. Very easy to imagine that. Good job. Yeah, that was a nice break. I like the snare hits. It'll be interesting to hear how he ends this.
Oh yeah, I know.
I hope it's not a fade out.
Yeah, no. I'll tell
Good.
you that.
Nice, nice ending. Very, very nice. Well done, Festive. I like it. All right, let me see. All right, so you're working on the user interface there a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you said you hadn't finished the settings yet, right?
Yeah.
Again, I've said this a couple times during the streams, but viewers, if you're wondering, the coding language for this is Lua. It's a C derivative, so some of you may recognize that. With some of the syntax, it should look similar. Sonny, are you trying to make a collapsible menu there?
What do you mean?
Oh, no. No, I see what you're doing. Okay. Yeah, that has a weird way of placing things, huh?
Yeah.
Seems weird to me, anyway.
Okay. Do this. Okay. We need a bool value right now. Okay, which so
Alright, so you need to make a conditional statement now, right? If this, then that, right?
yeah, we'll just put the bool right. And then sound effects. So off and add it. So first we'll say we need this so that's let's get down parent, and then we need the bool value equals script dot parent music, and then log music
workspace, releasing. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No. Click. Make. Function. And then. Oh, and. And that. Ooh. This. Check that. Works, and now we just need to check if the bool value changes. Oh, that's what that is. Okay. Settings. Okay. So we need to check music on, and it turns it on and on. Okay. The reason why I need that, so
All right. So
So
what was
that-
happening or not happening?
okay. So everything worked as planned. So what I'm gonna do is, you see how it has this check mark on value, right?
Uh huh.
That means music is on. So and then so music on is like true right now. That bool value is true.
Okay.
So when it's false and you try to click on a song on the radio, it won't play anything. It's gonna be an if statement.
Right. Now, will there be some sort of message like, you have music off?
No, they're probably.
Okay. Because, there are rather absent-minded people like myself, right, who will have the music off and forget that they did that, and they'll be trying to click on that, and the music would, they'll be like, well, how come it's not working?
Yeah, I might add a disclaimer. But...
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm realizing now is that I have this like a int value instead of bool, because I'm gonna need to be like constantly checking if it's on or off. So yeah, we're gonna have to make an int value since we can't just be always checking if it's on.
Yeah, so you're
So-
going to need some sort of indicator, right, to let you know.
So we're this one we're gonna call music on, and we're just gonna leave it 0. So what this does is we're gonna take bool dot value equals 1, and then this will make it true. This will make it 2. So I'll show you what I'm about to do in a second. So
Okay.
When we go to the radio, we go to the play button. We're gonna put in an if statement. First, we'll pull val equals game. Well, actually, no, we don't. We're gonna do game dot players dot local player dot player gy dot think radio. Oh, no, game. Wait, screen. Wait, is that game? Then radio GUI dot scrolling frame, and then what was it called? Music on. Oh, it's in settings. Why am I going to the rating? Okay, wait. There we go.
All right.
So we're gonna wrap this in an if statement. So we're gonna say, actually no, we're gonna actually do a loop. So while val dot value equals 0, then do oh yeah, it got to be equal. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta wait 1 second because we don't want to go crazy, and then it's gonna make me go print. Oh no, wait, no. Print. Okay. And then when it's done doing that, we ask if value dot value equals 1, then do all of this, and then else if val dot value equals 2, then womp womp. Well, I don't know. Okay. Forgot which one that's for. For the OG. Just check.
Uh-huh.
That's not important. Yep, okay. Okay, so now we just gotta go here. See, it doesn't let me. Yep, womp womp. Yeah, so it won't let you. Actually, we're still gonna make it turn off and on. It's just not gonna do anything. So.
Okay.
Actually, I might just put an error message. I'm probably just gonna put an error message.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier, right?
Yeah, I got it to work though.
Nice. I didn't see it. I didn't see the printout though.
Oh yeah.
It could be that one. Where does it print out appear? Where, because the webcams might be blocking it.
Am I not showing? No, it does. It does. So you see this this place down here, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's gonna be in there.
All right, let me shut off the chat. And I'll also turn off our webcams for a moment, okay? Kaachee's cam, Thunder's cam. All right, now you can show us.
You look at saying womp womp.
Oh, okay. So the print, it just prints it down there in the code line. It doesn't show up in the window of the game, right?
No.
Okay, good. All right, I understand now.
There you go. Yeah, I see it work.
Yep, got it.
Contracts has 1 contract currently, so shop, nothing works in the shop. I'm gonna
Not yet.
Play GUI, I haven't added all the great match stuff yet. I did actually get some progress. Oh yeah, I need to try that actually. Let me actually publish that Dummy Defense update. We're gonna quickly join Dummy Defense.
Okay.
Okay, publish it. Okay, now you should be able to join dummy defense. I'll tell you what it is when we.
There it is. Okay. All right, and I can't join that through you, right?
No. Alright, man.
There it is. So I can join. Okay.
Yeah, the music isn't playing, or it's they don't take it down. Oh, okay. Are you loaded?
Yeah, I'm in.
Huh? Can't invite.
Ah, it has that new lobby
It's gonna-
smell.
Are you getting the invite right now?
No.
You can't see like on the top it says invite.
No, I should leave the lobby, right?
No. Hold on. Okay, go could the George pick real quick. Press create. And then invite me.
I invite you.
Yeah.
So right there.
Dang, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
If you invite yourself, you can like accept the invite and stuff.
Oh, I see. Right. Should I accept my own invitation or should I wait?
You should accept it.
Okay, and now what? So I accepted my own invitation. Now what?
Oh, you're in your own team now.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's why there's two Thunder Hands there.
Alright, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you.
Okay, cool. Should I leave the lobby?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's
All right, so you're trying to get that invite process to work then, right?
yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll get there, son. It's you got a few more tweaks.
I don't know what else.
The GUI looks like it didn't update though. It looks like it was the same old one with George and stuff on it.
Yeah, I know, because I haven't updated it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the new one and it isn't in game.
Okay.
This is just for like testing. Oh yeah, we're still gonna have like all the images around the map. It's just we don't have.
Yeah, you just haven't placed them yet, right? All the memes and stuff, yeah.
I don't know why. Let me check.
All right. So what were you trying to do there with this tank, with this hover tank?
There's just like a weird.
Festive.
Clipping doesn't. Good. Oh yeah, that's still there.
Okay. Oh, you were going around looking for some of the memes, right?
Yeah. Yeah, there's really enough else. There's kind of. You got the iconic ladder.
Yes.
We
The
got
ubiquitous Roblox ladder.
yeah, and then we got the compute. We got the very good gaming setup. His mouse and keyboard aren't even connected. They're probably boot. Oh yeah, he just straight up. Yeah, he has a Mac. That's why he has. That's why it's just a marker. He has a, but wooden chair. Got cafe. Cool. We got the OG model here.
Yep.
Got the crate. We got the MRE box packet. Got the is this catnip?
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the soup, but that.
Okay.
Here's a flag. Okay, I don't know where it went, but it originally was gone. Here is the door that cannot be opened.
All right.
If you're ever wondering what happened to that is them well, the cat model.
Yes, the putty.
Got the kitchen stuff. Got the thing. And then we got some models that are not real. Got festive. Yeah, I need to add stuff in here. I need to add stuff in here. Here. It's a lot of.
What are some of the things you might add in there that you're thinking about? Any ideas yet, or?
In here there's gonna be like a ton of crates, guns on display and stuff.
Right, because that's the gun shop, right?
Yeah, contract is gonna be a bunch of papers plastered all over.
Maybe some file cabinets and stuff.
Yeah, contract. And here is just a bunch of like, I guess, panic. Garage.
Maybe you could put some like tank maintenance stuff in there, right? Toolboxes, things like that.
Yeah.
Spare
In here,
spare parts.
Yeah, there's gonna be a full-on like, I guess like where like you get hired from it, pretty much where this is. So you like everything like. That's why the game's UI is literally here, where you get assigned to your mission.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Greg Tech Cafe is already pretty much complete. There's still some characters I need to add in here, but that. Festive. that's just what? No, the top of the building is gonna have a huge artillery cannon in it, and there's gonna be a gunner over here.
Yeah, because you had one in the current map, right?
Not in the current map. There isn't.
There was one iteration of the map where you had a giant artillery cannon up there.
Yeah, it was the very first iteration. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to add that eventually, but I might make this part like a little less. It kind of looks a little empty, right? Like not the buildings, like just this lower level looks. So I might add stuff here. Oh yeah, I also need to add little spaces. Yeah, I might as well just do that, right?
Yeah, we still have a little bit of time left. We got about maybe 11 minutes left, so.
What should we do first? Shop, contracts, tank area, game stuff. What one should we do first?
Maybe the shop area?
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna open up my model place and just take a ton of guns that need to be made. And well, mostly ones that are featured in the game.
Right, so because I have a friend who actually does that, you will need your workbench, right?
Yeah.
So you need your workbench with the appropriate lighting, and then maybe some repairs and stuff, some upgrades that you're doing on the workbench, stuff you're working on, right?
Yeah.
So maybe a couple of firearms on the workbench.
Okay, let me just get that workbench quick.
Then you're going to need some sort of storage container. Usually it's a safe, and it's a really big safe, right?
I don't know how I'm gonna fit a huge safe here, but so,
that is the most coffee table looking workbench I've ever seen.
I know. It's.
I'm teasing you, son. It's fine.
Okay, now we just need to add just some crates in here. I guess crates can be used as safe. It's not.
I suppose.
Safe. It's not as safe, but it is somewhat.
It's better than having them laying around in the open.
Yeah. Okay, got the assault rifle. Which one? Where is it? Oh, there. MPA 37, which is not a real gun, by the way. If you're wondering that, yeah, it is not a real gun. So if you search that up, you probably will not find a gun. Grenade launcher. Look at some of the models too made. He has a quad barrel assault rifle. That is actually wild. Look at this thing, bro. Quad barrel assault. That's actually wild.
Now you got to try to fit that in there somewhere. Or are you? Or are you just showing that to us? Or
Because it's funny, yeah. Is this an assault rifle? Is this a rifle flamethrower modification? Okay.
Okay. All right,
I
you're
mean-
just gonna mount those on the wall.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah,
I'm
makes
not gonna
sense.
get one. Oh, here's a very big sniper rifle, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put that in there.
Oh, because of the magazine, the clip.
Yeah, it's super big. Look at this.
That looks cool.
God.
Did Tez make that one?
Soup made that.
Oh, okay. Looks cool.
Look at this thing, bro.
What the? Looks like it's upside down.
It's not upside down. That's how I found it. It was like that.
Oh, okay. I was just looking at the trigger and the handle on top, in the back.
Yo, I found a M202 flash. Nice soup. Okay, I'm putting this in. So these are our guns. Okay. We gotta make like a little. Let me just take a model from here real quick.
Oh, you're gonna make some sort of mounting plaque for them or something?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
They're just gonna like be directly on there, so it looks like they're like hot food on there, but
Okay.
they're not.
Well, depending on how much metal is, how many metal parts they have, and how strong the magnets are, they could be on there magnetically.
It is very strong magnets.
Yep.
I don't know. Should we add this M202?
Well, I'm just looking at how you have them angled, like they're slightly rotated downward like that.
Yeah. Should we add the M202 though? But which tower path?
I think so. I think it looks cool.
Yeah, it does look really cool, but I don't know what we could use it for. Probably.
Are you thinking? Are you thinking you might not use it in the game? That's why.
Yeah, because I don't know. I mean, like, I want to use it. It's just like I don't know what for.
Well, I mean, you could always throw it in there now, and then later, if you decide not to, you can just take it out, right?
I guess. Soup did a really good job on those. Oh. Should I put it right here where just like no one can see it?
Maybe. Then, if they want to, they can see it from the other direction, right? If they're on the side looking through, they can look up and see it. If they, yeah, from there, right?
Yeah. I guess you can think of this as like a fast food drive-through. I guess not really like a walk-in shop. Fast food drive-through for gun. Guess you could think of it like that.
Drive-through gun shop. Sounds like something you'd find in Texas
Probably.
or New Hampshire.
There we go. So we got all the guns. And we need to anchor them.
All the guns. All of them. How many guns should we bring, sir? All of them! I'm trying to figure out what movie that quote is from. Because I'd like to make a redeem out of that.
Oh yeah, we need lighting. I forgot. It's thing. Yeah. No, but then we want.
All right, so we are at 5:30.
Oh.
Do
Okay.
you want to add that? Is that a light?
Yeah, let me just finish making this.
Yeah,
video.
yeah. Let's put that in there. Nice. Oh wow! So you can click on the light paths and it'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. It'll show you the ray tracing. Nice.
There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to anchor it. I forgot. They'll just fall down.
Yeah, once you log in, smash. Gun shop.
I'm still gonna add more stuff in there, but
Yeah, of course, but you got some of the main elements in there, though.
oh, there. Really? Yeah. Okay, yeah, we can end stream now.
Okay. Alrighty, so cool. So we made some updates to Dummy Defense today. And let's see if there's... Everybody make sure that you thank Kaachee for the stream today. Thank you so much for showing us around, son. And thanks to the viewers for showing up today. It's really cool to see you guys. Thank you for dropping by. Especially Shut Mountain and Waylander Tone. I think our buffoon VIP, Cheska's Genie, is streaming right now. Yes, she is. Supermarket Simulator. Oh, God.
I've seen that game.
Oh, and hearing her play this is going to be funny. All right, so let's raid out to Jeannie.
Okay, bye.
Have a great night, guys. Thank you so much, Shut. Let's set up our raid. There is the raid message in the chat, and you guys know the drill. If you would like to come along with us, you can copy and paste that into the chat. And as usual, I always encourage everybody in the viewers to join us on the raid, even if you can't stay for the entire raid. At least drop in, say hi, and if you feel so inclined, drop a follow, some bits, sub would be really, really cool. And let me see. Let us do this. That needs to be a /. There it is. Why did you not do that? Maybe because there's a space in between. Let's try that. There it is. Hey, I remembered how to do that. Oh, I missed 2 streams. So there we are counting down to our raid to Cheska's Genie. Just family-friendly viewers, just be reminded that Jeannie's stream is rated for mature audiences, so I just want to give you a heads up there. But she's a lot of fun, and we have a lot of shared community. You'll likely know a lot of the people in there. So with that being said, just remember that we do this Kaachee Time stream every Sunday from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Our next stream should be Wednesday from 2 p.m. From noon to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that will be Generations. And frankly, I forget whether it's going to be on the survival server or if it's going to be Baby Zombie Rush, but we'll see regardless. And look at the notifications. If I'm ready to stream that on Wednesday, I shall, and we can get back to some Generation stuff. Again, providing I accomplish what I need on my server and stuff, and I'm free enough to do so, the stream following that should be Buffooncraft on Friday from 11 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, without further ado, let us raid out to Cheska's Genie. Bye for now, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you happen to be. Join us again next time. Raiding out to Cheska's now.